We are a week out from Thanksgiving, and oh, I'm getting so excited. Hey y'all, it's Taylor from Tattooed Teacher Plans. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing a plan with me for the week of November 18th through the 24th. So this is the last full week before Thanksgiving. I'm just so ready for a little break. So we just gotta get through this week. This week I'm going to be using this kit from Saucy Stickers Co. called Forest Walks. It's very cute. I just think it's beautiful. I love the foiling. It's just so pretty. Love it. So I've got this one, and next week is my last two autumn kits, and then we will move on to some holiday kits, which is exciting. This is just so gorgeous. I'm excited. So this kit has these date covers, and I don't know if I'm just gonna forego the numbers this week. I don't mind doing that because I can always look at my monthly or whatever, but I don't know. I'm still thinking about it. But this is my makselife planner. This is a vertical for 2024. We're getting close to the end, which is exciting. This is the marker I'm going to be using. I forgot to mention that, oatmeal. But this week is the last week that I have to work on my goal prep work, at least for video 1, which is coming up soon. It may be up before this video goes up. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think it will be. So, yeah. Okay, so video 1 is up already when you're watching this video, but there will be 4 in total, and I'm still working on the dates, but I will post everything on Instagram and the community page. So if you've never seen one of my plan with me's, the way that I do mine is I go ahead and set up the week on the Sunday before, and then I will fill you in as many days as I can. And then at the end of the week, we're going to add in some memory keeping and pictures and journaling and make it extra special. So let's get this week set up. I'm going to begin with the bottom washi. I decided to just use the 2 strips from the kit. I was going to use the red strips somewhere in here, but decided against it. I really like the colors in this kit, and I wanted to bring in some more of that red, but we're going to bring that in with some boxes and things like that. So just trimming off the excess here very carefully because I'm known to tear the page. And then just removing those little strips, and then we're opening up the spread so I can put in the date covers. Now, I did change my mind about the date covers. I needed the numbers, but it was kind of too late. It was by the middle of the week where I decided this, and I just left it because I didn't want to redo the whole section up there for just a couple more days, so I lived with it. But I needed those numbers, you know? It just didn't feel right. And I was just confused about what day it was every single day. Okay, so full boxes now. I'm popping these in my normal spots. And here I'm messing up because I'm not putting it in its normal spot. But we fixed that and tore the page, but that's okay. We will cover it up. And then I'm covering up the bottom 2 habits over here, just because I like 5, and I like to kind of bend the full box a little bit so that it doesn't touch the page, because I will rip it, as we have seen more than once in this plan with me already. And then we're going to the headers up here. So I just used these from the kit, and I really like the way that they look. I ended up popping in a couple of these, to me it looks like a sweater pattern or something, and I really like those, but I wish I had done a more uniform rotation of them or something. I don't know, it just looks weird, but also still looks pretty, so we're just gonna call it. And then I added in a box on my sidebar for my favorite moments, and then I'm just adding in some hearts for daily gratitude and little dots for to-dos. I had a lot to do on Saturday, so we're going to add a bunch over there as the week goes on. But for now, I'm just kind of setting up the basics. I did decide on Friday to decorate for Christmas, and then I only put out a couple of things because my cats cannot be trusted. They're still technically kittens, and I'm not putting up a tree this year. I can't. I cannot clean that up every single day when they knock it over, because they will, because they're little crazy tornadoes that live in my house right now. But maybe next year we will get there. So just filling in some to-dos throughout the spread. Lots and lots of filming on Saturday, kind of prepping for my goal series, but some other regular to-dos in there too. It's Thursday. Once again, I have forgotten to check in. So here's the week so far. Nothing really major is happening. Today we did have Thanksgiving at school. Our dining hall does that for us every year on the Thursday before Thanksgiving. It's just very sweet. So let me find something for that because we just had good combos at lunch. We had a good time. And that was really good. Although they were a little stingy with the sweet potato casserole. And this year we're not doing sweet potato casserole at Thanksgiving. Maybe Christmas. I think I can talk some people into it for Christmas. But for Thanksgiving, no. So we're doing like a pared down menu. So I think I can let's use one of these guys. Today, I'm going to go for a walk because I don't know, that feels nice. It's been another stressful week at school, but tomorrow's Friday. We're going to get through it. It's going to be okay. I keep telling myself that. It's going to be okay. It's going to be fine. Just doesn't feel like it right now, but it will. Okay, so we're going to put this in here. And then really the only thing I need to do today at home is dishes. I can't really think of anything else. I'm going to do a light dinner because I didn't eat breakfast in anticipation of gorging myself on lunch, which was so good. So I don't really need to do much tonight. I don't need to cook dinner. I feel like there's something else I need to do though. What is it? I'm going to do a little treatment, like a heat treatment on my hand. I had a car accident, or I was in a car accident like 3 years ago now, and I busted up my hand really badly. You can see the scars pretty easily here, and like how big my knuckles are compared to this hand, like jacked up. But I have all the mobility, which is great, but it's a little tight and kind of achy today, which happens when it's cold. So I'm just gonna do like, I have these they're like little mitts, but you can heat them up, and I'm gonna put my hand in there, I think, and just kind of massage it a little bit. But it happens. It is what it is. It's just, I lived through the accident, but dealing with the stuff afterwards is gonna be lifelong, and that's totally okay because I'm here. Okay, gratitude today. I'm gonna put my friend Jen because she just always takes care of business at school. And then habits, I'm gonna get my steps because I'm gonna go for a walk today. It's warmed up just a little bit. Like, we had our first freeze like this night, Monday night. So it's been a little chilly, and I just don't really love to go for a walk when it's super, super cold. So I'm going to do that. And then hopefully next week I can get back into adding a little bit extra. I have like a whole playlist on YouTube of like little workout boosts that are 10 or 15 minutes long. And I need to get back to doing that because I am weak. And I know my anxiety will feel better and like I'll be able to manage it better if I will actually do a workout, but I don't know. I have like a block in my brain against it right now, and I have no idea why. Okay, let's use one of these, but I think I'll cut it down just a little bit. I think I'm pretty much prepared for filming the first video in my goal series for this year. I just need to finish up a couple things on my reflections, but I think we're getting close. Every night I've been kind of looking at it and seeing what else I need to do. And I'm almost there. And I'm gonna go for my walk right now, where there's still some light outside. And there's a little bit of sunlight for warmth too. Okay, there we go. All right, I'll see you probably Saturday, but maybe tomorrow. We'll see. I think you can see every single cat hair imaginable on this sweatshirt. Sorry about that. It is the cross that I bear. Oh, living with cats. There's like so much on here. Okay, anyway, it's Sunday. Let's finish up. I have been busy, okay? Now, I don't have any pictures, so we're going to have to come back in a minute and do that. But I got so much done. Saw Wicked with my sister. Oh my gosh, it was so good. Like, exceeded my expectations. And I went in with like high expectations for this because we've been waiting for a long time for it. It was gorgeous. Like, oh my god, who was in charge of the CGI? Because it was perfection. All of the color and all of like, they looked like drone shots, but of course they're not. But like when they would scan over an area, oh my gosh, so pretty. I loved it. I thought it was amazing. I didn't have a lot of opinions about like the two leads because I just went into it thinking they're probably going to do great, but like I don't know what they're going to do. They did amazing. Like amazing. I loved it. I kind of want to go see it again because it was so good. It made my heart so happy. Unfortunately, when we left, I was checking my messages and I got some bad news from my principal, which I will share more in next week's plan with me. But for now, I'm going to go relax. I need to wash my hair. And that's pretty much it. I just need to like eat some dinner and relax. So next week, Thanksgiving week. Okay, I'm excited. We're going to use this kit. It's so pretty. Called Amber Dreams. Gorgeous. I have some stickers too we might use. I don't know. We're going to just try some things next week. But it's going to be mostly memory keeping because I'm going to go visit my family. My dad's having surgery. I'm going to help my parents pack up some things because they are moving in the next few months. And just eat some good food. Hang out with the fam. So that's it for now. I'll be back in a minute though to finish everything up with you. But I got to go get those pictures. And I forgot them, so I'll be back. Let's finish up this spread. I've got pictures, but as you can see, we've got some space to fill in, which I want to add a few little notes here and there, and maybe some like deco stickers or something, but we're going to fill it up. Okay, let me get these pictures down, and then we will finish up this spread. Okay, so I've got lots of little bits here that I kind of want to use for my little notes. Okay, so this is my little schedule for my goal series for this year. One video is up and some more going up the week that this plan with me is going up. So if you're watching on the day that it uploads, there are videos coming tomorrow and Wednesday. This is a picture that my friend Holly sent of me and my two friends. We've been friends for over 10 years, and this is a picture from 10 years ago. And then this podcast I've really been enjoying. I'm rewatching Dairy Girls and then listening to the podcast Talking Dairy Girls. So it's been really fun to like just kind of see some things that I didn't necessarily notice about people from dairy, and during that time like they knew more about. I don't know, it's just been very interesting. There's lots of exclamation points in my notes here. Okay, and then I have a little space here. Let's put some deco or something like that. One of these little flower bunches. Here we go. Okay, and then like, how is he growing so fast? And then my favorite moment of the week, I think, was seeing Wicked with my sister. It was just so good. I loved it so much. Okay, and this spread is finished. There's only one thing I would change about this, and that is this situation up here. All week, and especially the week after when I was looking back, I did not remember the dates up here, and it just kind of drove me a little bit nutty. So I would probably take a little date dot and put it above the, like, each of these little date covers. I think that's what I would do, but I don't know. It just didn't make sense to my brain. I need to see the numbers to like know how many days are left till different events, you know, and it just threw me off. So I would change that for sure, but I love this. It's so pretty. Very, very gorgeous. I love the detail in all of these boxes. It's just very pretty. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this plan with me. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, especially for those goal videos coming up. And hit that notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload. And I will see you next week for another plan with me. Bye!